Young people were sharing one message at Frick Park today.
Rick Dayton has more on how adults took notice.
Hundreds of kids lined the sidewalk at Frick Park. Their message? Pretty simple.
No hate can break what Pittsburgh has.
Kids like 6th grader Salvador Rizzo wrote tags to hang on the Hope Tree.
I was kind of happy that we're actually going over this and we're actually making people aware of what's happening.
And it didn't take long for the adults to notice.
Instead of having leaves, it has all these things hanging from it, and we wanted to come across and see what it said.
Joel and Chaim just came from the morning service at their synagogue.
That's a good thing. They're trying to spread the good words and things.
Kids could write messages with sidewalk chalk too. And Chaim, who is blind, wrote the words Tree of Life. The significance not lost on the students.
People should stop, shooting. They should stop being violent.
I try and go to my friends, and sometimes I could do something little by just being nicer to them, or I could do like what we did here, like make an ornament and make something go really deep into someone and say that really helped me.
And it wasn't lost that the kids are forced to deal with grown-up issues.
These are schools and communities that are directly impacted. It's no longer something that happens somewhere else in a foreign country or just to grown-ups.
Rick Dayton, KDKA TV News.